Today in Show 2 Logs Day, please write this down. That's very important. That's how we're going back and forth between logarithmic and exponential form. We're going to do a bunch of converting, and hopefully by the end of it we get the gist and the hang of it. So we're rewriting this as log base 3 of 81 equals 4. This one, log base 6 of 6 equals 1. Log base x of 1 equals 0. Log base 5 of 1/25 equals -2. Log base 3 of 5 equals x. And log base 8 of 4 equals 2/3. The second way, we're going now to exponential, so 3 squared equals 9. X cubed equals 8. 6 to the negative 1 equals 1/6. 3 to the first equals 3. 15 to the 0 equals 1. And 81 to the 1/2 equals 9. So we're just bouncing back and forth between them. We're going 3 to the squared equals 9, x cubed equals 8, blah, blah, blah. Got a couple special properties here. Very easy, very basic. Anytime you have the log base of the same number as the argument, so b and b, 10 and 10, 2 and 2, 16 and 16, all right, sorry, where was it? Oh yeah, so anytime you have the same base of the same number here, so like 10 to 10, that's equals 1 because we're saying 10 to the what power equals 10. And so obviously that question mark is 1. Same thing here, same thing here. Then our other one saying b to the 0 equals 1, exponential form, that's proven examples there. So 16 to the 0 power is 1, b to the 0 power is 1 as well. So easy little tricks there. Last thing, we're just going to do a bunch of going back and forth. So I got about 12 here. They're fairly easy, fairly straightforward. One thing I got to mention is that if we don't have the log base there, then it's automatically defaulting to 10. So this is saying 10 to what power equals 1,000? That would be 3. And this one is saying 10 to what power equals 1 over 1/1000th. That's -5. 4 to what power equals 16? 2. Fractions a little awkward. Remember, you need fractions, or with fractions, you need negative numbers, so that would be -2. And same thing with fractions, we need negative numbers to make them whole numbers, so this would be -2 again. F and G are a little weird. This is saying 5 to what power equals all that junk. Well, we rewrite 25 as 5 squared, rewrite square root as 1/2, then you add those. So then that means my question mark has got to be 2.5 or 2.5. Same thing here, 7 to what power equals, well, 7 squared is 49, and that's to the 1/3. Multiply those, so my answer is just 2/3. Same thing with these. 5 to what power equals 25? 2. X to the first power equals 7. That means my x has got to be 7. This one, 3 squared equals x minus 5. So I square that, I get 9. I add 5, I get 14. This one is saying the square root of x equals 6, so x must be 36. This one is kind of awkward. 2 to the 3x equals, well, 32, but I also know 32 is 2 to the 5th power. So that means since my bases are the same, then my exponents also have to be the same. So x is 5/3. And then lastly, f, b to the 3rd power equals 64, so that means b is quattro. Last thing on here, anytime you have a number being raised to a log of the same base number, all this junk cancels out and you just get 25. So if you have x log base x of 7, all that junk cancels out, answer is 7. All right, good luck. We'll catch y'all later. Peace.